If you are using the desktop version of Evernote application, then what you can do is you can go around and add in multiple accounts onto your application as well. So right now I am signed in with a single account right here, and if you want to add in multiple accounts, you need to go around and then click on the name that you see right here and then click on add accounts. So once you do that, what you can do is you can go ahead and type in your second email address. So I'm just going to go around and type in tutortubechannel2@gmail.com right here. Click on continue, and then I'm just going to go around and enter out my password right here. So once I do that, what happens is that the application restarts, as you can see right here. That is the Evernote application restarts. And then what happens is that I will have another account right here. So let me just close this because I want to skip that update. And over here, you can see that now if I were to click, you can see that I got two accounts now. So I can go around and switch in between the accounts as well. So as I switch the account, you can see that the application restarts, and then I can access this account right here. And if I want to access another account as well, I can just go around and switch it to my other account. And that is how you can go around and add in multiple accounts in Evernote Desktop. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.